So what boat are we looking at now, Gene? What's this?
This is a Beneteau. 30, geez, you didn't give me a chance to do my homework for your filming. It's the Beneteau Rapid Nui, 37 feet. It's a 2009.
2009. How much are they asking?
$149.9.
$149.9. And as you can see, it's got this really nice Dodger Bimini combination here. It's completely all the way back. And I'm assuming that they have side curtains that come down. We're going to go below and take a look at this Beneteau. See what she's like below deck.
You just pull it up and go on in.
And go on down. So here's the galley. It's like an L-shaped galley, the 2-burner stove and oven, and then there's the sink. And right behind the galley is the aft cabin. And there's access to the lazarette back there. There's a hanging locker and storage. Little seating area there. And then over here is the head. And it's got the sink shower combination. And you can see the hatches are all, the port lights are all covered over. It's very hot here today. It's hot and humid. This is, and the AC is on, so they've got all the port lights covered to help keep the boat cool. Nice, very nice settee. So why don't you sit down so we can get some perspective on size by having you sit. So there's Gene sitting.
Very comfortable cushions. They almost feel like a
table. And nice walk through here. Plenty of room. The table does lift up so that you can sit over here on this side of the settee, to eat at this table. It's kind of your typical Beneteau. You know, fairly wide in the salon and aft. And a nice big forward V-berth. This looks pretty big, nice and comfortable. Looks like a little seating area here for you to do whatever you do. Some storage along the top. And there's a hanging locker behind this door here. There's the hanging locker. And shelves. Oop, storage. It's a very nice boat. It's really cool in this room. The air conditioning is working really well. Very cool. View looking aft. 37 feet. Let's take a look at the engine.
It's kind of tough to get back in there.
It's a little dark. It's a Yanmar. It looks like it's in really good shape. Sorry, it's so dark. I can't get any light on it. Here's the Beneteau. Mast furling. The Traveler is in front of the Bimini Dodger. Lower furling on the head sail. Fairly comfortable boat for 37 feet.